Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Pokemon Go crashing problem. The solutions in this video I researched for 2 to 3 hours. All solutions tried and they work. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. For absolute solution and not to miss the steps, watch the video until the end, then follow the steps one by one with me. Our first solution is to update Pokemon Go if it is out of date. When we use the old version of any application, we may experience such problems. Therefore, it is useful to keep the applications that we use constantly up to date. You can check if Pokemon Go is up to date by typing Pokemon Go in the Play Store. If there is an update text here, it is not up to date. This was our first solution, now we're going to move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to disable the battery saver feature for Pokemon Go. This feature prevents Pokemon Go from using the full power of your phone. For this reason, we will turn this feature off. For this, we open our phone settings application, and we find the apps. Then we find Pokemon Go among our applications. Here we click on battery saver and click on no restrictions. These parts may differ depending on the phone brand you use. That was our second solution. If this solution worked, please don't forget to like the video. If it didn't work, we will now move on to the third solution. Our third solution is to delete the Pokemon Go game with the data and reinstall it. In general, this solution works for crash problems in applications. For this, we find settings, then apps, and finally Pokemon Go, as we did in the second solution. After coming here, we first click on Clear Data and click on Clear All Data. Then we click on Uninstall. And Pokemon Go was deleted. Now all we have to do is install Pokemon Go again. You already know this step. That was our third solution. If this solution also did not work, we will move on to the fourth and final solution. Let's move on to solution 4. Our fourth solution is to update the Android system WebView, which enables applications to be opened and closed. For this we go to the Play Store. Then we write Android system WebView in the search section. From the applications here, we choose the application that belongs to Google. Remember, this app is already installed on our phone. We will not download any other apps. After clicking on the application here, we first click on Uninstall, and the installed update is removed in this way. Then we click on Update and our application is updated. And that was our fourth and final solution. We have come to the end of our video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.